Today is December 30th, 2017, and I'm going to replace these corner signal lenses with the clear ones. You can see that they actually have a black on the sides. Originally I wanted this to be like the JDM all white or all clear ones, but the ones that they came with, they're black on the sides, so I figured I'll just buy some that match those. So I'm gonna get this started and I'll show you the finished product after I'm done. The disassembly looks pretty straightforward. There's a Phillips screwdriver right here, so I'm just gonna take that out. Let's put this out. This whole thing just comes right out. On the side here, just gonna twist this bulb, and that's it. This is a comparison of the new lens and the old lens. Quality feels a little cheap. It's plastic. This is plastic as well. This is actually glass. So, pulled off the sticker. This is actually on the other lamp. I installed the other one already. But looking at the back, there's a tab right here, tab down there, and a tab up here. And I want to make sure that it aligns with these holes. So you slide this through here. Just push inwards, and then once that's in place, you would screw this back in. First thing I noticed was that the build quality, at least for this weathering strip, it's not glued in all the way. It's a little loose in comparison to the one that it came with. This one seems a lot more solid. So we'll see how long this will hold. This is the finished product. I just pulled the old spark plugs out, so they're in pretty bad condition. This is what the new one looks like. And replacing the spark plugs isn't that hard. There's a spark plug boot here. I just pulled these out. There's a lot of space there. I think there was an air box there before, but when I got this car, it was just like that, so that's what it is. On this side, there's this windshield wiper fluid reservoir that used to sit right here. It was held on by two number 10 bolts, so I took those off. So once you have that off, just pull that off, unplug this, and then you're able to access the one down there and the one right there. This was the only one that I need to remove this in order to get access to.